Hey, I was just touching base to see when you think you might be coming back. You know, I'm just worried that you're not going to find your stride here if you keep going off-world all the time. I'm worried you're not going to find your people.
Oh, miss wherever you are, buddy.
Krypto and I at least had each other. But look, almost by definition runs out.
Krypto! You cannot give up on me.
I have 3 days to get the antidote and save my dog. There's no home without you, buddy.
Your eyes are beautiful when you cry.